There, I help. There, action shot.
I've got it on record. You guys are gonna have to open this stupid thing up.
Video
I hate this.
of me thinking Rachel's thinking.
Hey, however much tape you put on here is not fair.
Oh, you just wait.
I have a feeling that. Oh my God! Yes, duct tape on a box. Is the duct tape on a box?
Where's my knife?
Where you?
It is in my purse again. Give me the knife.
Rawr.
Wow, this is like.
Oh my God!
Money in one.
I was like, is there really another box inside of this box?
A box in a box.
There.
Yeah, do you
Open.
have your hammer
Right
handy?
there.
There,
There
grab
we
that.
This one?
Keep digging.
There's nothing in it.
I'll shake that around.
I don't think there's anything in that one either.
We found out it came in the mail today.
I don't want to open it. If there's going to be something in it, they'll say, no, you have to open
All
it.
three of you guys had way too much time. Don't just throw stuff. What if there's actually something you can hide
in
in?
this one.
You're gonna have to help her.
I'm trying. I'm just so that in hand here. My God.
Did you guys giggle while you did this whole thing?
Oh yeah.
Very, very nice. There was a lot more than
You helped too? That's why you had to go over there, you do!
Why do you think Joe was like, I was doing something for my sister? Like,
Why do you think my name was on the freaking block?
a box inside of another box. Inside of another box.
You know, now I know how all this chick at the
Okay,
jewelry
you need to
store
stop using your
feels.
knife.
I can't get through, like, solid duct tape.
Oh, you guys, we have some extra duct tape.
Go Tiffany.
Can you see it too?
I did the wrapping myself.
Yeah, no wonder she wanted to record it.
I gotta get his face here. Serious?
I can't help it's your
Rich
turn.
was asking me, do we need any wrapping paper? I was like, no. But we're gonna need some duct tape. It took us 15 minutes just to do that part.
Went through there, there's nothing there. The seam is like right in the middle of what we got it.
There's a seam, is there?
There it is. Okay. Here, I'll get the rest of it now.
Right open.
Like there's nothing even in there.
Oh my. Is there, yeah, there's nothing in there.
I'm like, these look like a bunch of Joe's
Oh!
games.
There, he's like, I didn't mean for that.
No, it's in there, George.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah,
Wait.
too bad it's just another box.
Or
And
is
she
it?
got knives for Christmas from her mom. I know better than that. And it's been retaped.
Man, what is in this box?
I don't know. It's only got room in the middle.
It's gonna be a card that's happy birthday.
Merry Birthmas.
That would have been fun, but too mean.
That would have actually been pretty funny.
But it would've-
She still would have recorded the whole goddamn thing.
Haha, I only have 20 minutes to put on YouTube.
Seriously? What's with this goddamn box? Show you, man, straight. Bring his face a little closer.
We can do this too.
You don't want to know.
Come on, man. Stop over there.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a real box?
This is a real box. What is this? I don't know what this means.
Read it.
mean?
A motherboard?
It says motherboard, doesn't it?
A
It
motherboard
has
for me?
motherboard stuff in it.
Or for Ben?
We don't know. And what's so special about this motherboard? CPU power saving for any OS.
I don't know what it
You
means.
see, now I don't know what it means either. What does it mean, guys?
What is it?
Well,
It's
there's
just-
more stuff in there.
In the box?
Yeah?
Wow. It's the perfect base of a computer. Oh, snappage.
What's that?
That is a processor.
And that
That's
is a
RAM.
RAM? Is that it?
Yep.
Is there more? So is this like a computer in a box?
This is a computer in a box.
Is the computer in the box for
Yep.
Ben or for me?
I don't know. What is it?
I don't
You
know.
say Benet.
Damn it, that means we have to fight over it.
All the more fun for me.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Thanks,
Thank you
guys.
very much. Merry Christmas.